WooX is a centralized exchange that offers high-quality liquidity and its very own ecosystem. Learn how to use it with Tealstreet to make it even better. First, log in to WooX. Then navigate to the Subaccounts and API tab. Click on Create API Key. Make sure you're making the API key with your desired account. Make sure to tick Trade Permissions. Give your API key a description. In Tealstreet, head to the API Keys tab and click on New Account. Choose WooX from the Exchange drop-down menu. Type in a name. Make sure to tick Use Tealstreet Network and copy and paste those IPs back into WooX. Store these API keys somewhere secure. Now, copy and paste your application ID, your API key, and your API secret into Tealstreet. Then, click Add. Now, you're all set and ready to start trading with Tealstreet. If you enjoy using Tealstreet and would like to help support ongoing developments, please consider using one of our exchange referral links.